If you're watching this video right now, it means one thing. Somehow, against all odds, things actually went well. In case you haven't noticed, this channel completely vanished on June 9th. Gone, deleted, evaporated. No, I didn't press the wrong button. This was full-blown sabotage. My Google account was hacked, everything was stolen, and I was left standing there like a man who's just realized he parked his Ferrari in a demolition zone. But now, after nearly 2 months of bureaucratic agony and more stress than explaining Wi-Fi to your grandparents, I can happily say, welcome to Racer TV. And here I am, alive and kicking. I know, I don't upload videos as often as I used to. Life, as they say, gets in the way. But every now and then I'll still bring you something worth watching. Or at least, something mildly interesting. Today, however, you won't be seeing sweeping drone shots of Portugal's most stunning landscapes, bathed in golden light. Instead, you get this. A simple short ride. Me, on my Frankenstein, rattling down a perfectly average local road about 30 kilometers from Porto. And why? Because if you've ever been to Portugal, chances are you've only seen the polished, tourist-approved version. But the real Portugal? The one with cracked asphalt, cobblestone roads, barking dogs, and locals who stare at you like you're lost? That's on this road. And that's what we're doing today. So, before I sign off this video, a quick word about the voice you're hearing. Unfortunately, the AI upgrade that was used with the usual voice is no longer available. In its place, I've found this new voice. It's so realistic you could almost invite it round for tea. And I thought most of you might quite like it. Of course, not everyone will. Some will hate it. Some will probably write angry comments in all caps. But give it time. Eventually, it'll grow on you faster than rust on an old Land Rover. Thank you for watching Racer TV. And as always, I hope to see you on the next video.